Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Take my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. And hold your breath and feel the tension. Devils hide behind redemption. Honesty is a one-way gate to hell. I wanna taste consumption. Breathe faster to waste oxygen. Hear the children sing aloud. It's music till the wick burns out. Be carefree lately, yeah. Just kicking up daisies. Got one too many quarters in my pockets. Counting like the four-leaf clovers in my locket. Untied laces, yeah. Just tripping on daydreams. Got dirty little lullabies playing on repeat. Might as well just ride around the nursery and count sheep.
You say I make you nervous, a tragedy, I'm a beautiful disaster, a reckoning, you wonder how I got this way. You think I'm someone to be saved, someone to clean up and tame. Oh, some things never change, never change. You think I would look pretty on your arm once you cover up my bruises and battle scars, but it always ends the same. Can't bear the things I've had to face. Got you crying on your knees in pain. Oh, some things never change, never change. Oh, you'll break your back to make me feel again. Suffocate to make me breathe again. Lose your mind from endless pain. Some things never change, never change. Oh, redemption ever came. I stopped asking for forgiveness, cause you should know only fools tread where the angels fear to go, but you keep trying to get too close. Save myself by turning into stone. So save your judgment cause you just don't know. But some things never change, never change. Oh, they say I should feel guilty and change my ways, leaving crumpled bodies in my wake. Swear I didn't mean to make them pray. so mundane, and they keep coming like a moth to a flame. Oh, some things never change, never change. You break your back to make me feel again. Suffocate to make me breathe again. Lose your mind from endless pain. Some things never change, never change. Oh, redemption never came. I think the girls with their nails done now. Girls with their nails done. I think the girls with their nails done. Girls with their nails done. I think the girls with their nails done now. I think the girls with their nails done now. Girls with their nails done. I think the girls with their nails done. Girls with their nails done. I think the girls with their nails done now.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name, check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change, possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display.
What's going on? How we doing? Good morning, good morning. Took a trade on this big down move earlier. before 8:30. It was kind of hairy. Thankfully, we got a candle. I was in 4 contracts. I totally read the price action wrong. I'll zoom in real quick and show you. So got here, absolutely dropped off through the bands, took an ad. My take profit was literally like right here, so it missed us by, I think it was like 3 ticks. Drops right back down, and it really felt like it was holding here at the bottom of this previous candle. So I added 1, 2, and I told myself when I added the second one, as it was coming back up a little bit, if it fell below there, I was going to cut that too. But it literally flashed. Like, I didn't even have a chance to get out. It just flashed straight down. So it started to come right back up, and I told myself I'm going to put my stop here, and I did. I actually had a stop out, and thankfully it came up. I started taking some off. I didn't make the 20 ticks on all 4 contracts, but I did end up being green on it. So definitely I was down, I want to say like right at 1,000. It was like 980. So definitely not my best trade, and it definitely got a little hairy there, but it did end up working out. So hey, yes, what's going on? Tony, how we doing? Check, good morning. Donovan, ooh wee. Josh, who else we got in here? Marius, what's up? Donovan, good morning. John Doe, good morning. Marie, good morning. Regan, good morning. Got anybody else? Anybody else? Craig, good morning. We got about 2 minutes here until open. We do have some news it's FOMC today, but that's 2 o'clock. We do have crude oil inventories at 10:30. And then there's some Canadian stuff at 9:45, red folder Canadian news at 9:45, and then red folder Canadian press conference at 10:30. And then we have our FOMC stuff 2 o'clock, 2:30. So funds rate and FOMC statement at 2, and then they have a FOMC press conference at 2:30. Good morning, Jen. You know what? I'm gonna do a little something real quick. See if I can do this before the market opens. I have to be really fast, and I don't think I'm that fast. I'm not gonna take a trade here at the open, just because it hasn't been working. It's been a lot of fake outs. And I don't want to blow this account now that we're getting pretty close. So, Karen, good morning. Jen, good morning. Jack of all trades, good morning. Jen, I think I said good morning to you, so that's twice, now 3 times. So we're probably gonna let that roll today. We'll pay attention to it. I don't have time to switch to the M&Q either. It's about to happen. But if I were to take the trade, I'd probably try to front run the highs, like right around here, 615. And then if I were to take the low, I would come actually further down. I'd say like 590. So let's see what happens. 590 hit. So we'd be in this trade. And it's reversing. There's no way that's 21 ticks. So yet again, would have got faked out so far. This obviously could still come down and work, but the whole premise of the opening trade is that initial burst of the 930 candle, you're in and out. Like it goes so fast that you're just in and out. You shouldn't have to sit here and wait for the trade to work out. So we would need 585, 584.75. So let's see if it actually gives us that. So we'd be in at 590. We'd need right there. It's coming back down. It's teasing. And okay, so the morning trade would have worked. The opening trade would have worked, but we would have had to go through a little drawdown that we wouldn't have wanted to. I do use brackets. When I do take the morning trade, I do use brackets, yes. Notice earlier as well, we bounced right off the close from yesterday. So I would suspect this to actually be used as support again, or at least the area of interest. All right, let me add what I was going to add real quick. Yeah, you guys probably can't see that, can you? Make it bigger. There we go. That way I have an all-day reminder of what's going on with the news. So when there is news. Yeah, let me get marbles started. I have to open up my stream bot real quick. I did. I blew my funded futures account yesterday. I actually forgot to mention in that short too that I did make 170 on Tradeify. So I forgot about that one. That's the one disadvantage of doing it the next day. Alex, good morning. TCG Andy, good morning. Steve, good morning, by the way. Damn, I just cut 99. Oh, you rolled a 99. Let's go. I see that. What's up? Denton Hansen, yo! I'll match the text power. Then Cat, what's going on? Good morning. Alright. Hopefully this works. Donald Cooper in the house. Good morning. Exclamation point marbles. You got 10 minutes. First race. 1st, 5th, and 10th. Tradeify, good morning. Steve, did you ever set up that account, by the way? Nao, good morning. Denton, good morning. Nice little down move here this morning, but looking at the daily, I mean, this is nothing in comparison. You scroll out to the 15-minute or the daily, I mean, we're still near the top. Matt Rad, what's going on? JFH, good morning. If you don't mind, hit that like button while you're typing in exclamation point marbles. Derek, how we doing? Good morning. Nice little down move. This could be just like yesterday, though, if you remember. Let's scroll out, take a look at yesterday real quick. Yesterday we had the same type of move. At the open, we had a nice dip down, let's say 306. Went down about 150 points and literally up the rest of the day. Up about 500 points. Then we climbed overnight as well. So right now we are down not quite 100 points, about 90 points. This could very easily be very similar. Look at that, bouncing right off the current low that we had set, which I'm assuming is like right at... What is that low from? That's from yesterday. What? That's supposed to be the low of today. What's that all about? The high's right. I don't know why it says the low's all the way down there. Technically, where we're at now should be the current low. Nonetheless, we are bouncing off of it. Siren, what's going on? Would you say Keltner channels have helped you a lot? 1000%. It helps keep me out of FOMO trades. It helps me be a lot more patient. I can look at the chart and I visually have a reason to wait for the better move. I mean, if you go back and take a look at all my losses they're what? When I get in early. If I would just wait for those Keltner channels to get touched, almost every time I have a fighting chance to be in a winning trade. Where when I start getting in things early and assuming that I can read price action correctly, that's when I always get in trouble. All right, we are definitely at the lows now. Can I pop this out? Oh, snap, look at that. No. Oh, crap. I done screwed it up. Stop. Stop. There we go. Ah, nice. Okay. Just found a way to get my full chat up over here without sacrificing screen size. That way I can read more. I think my win rate is like 5%. Ugh. I hope your risk to reward is really big. What's your strategy? Out of curiosity. Oh, the gamble? That's pretty bad. It should be 50%. Here, while we're kind of waiting, I'll try to do my 500 real quick. Ah. Oh man, I can't type. You got 2.5 minutes! Exclamation point marbles, get them in. There's one. I would like to not have to go deep into this like we have previously. There we go. There's two. Alex said F it. Ooh, look at that. I gave you my win. That's 3 first rolls in a row that I lost. Sean, good morning. Pushpack, good morning. And 3 second rolls that I won. That's funny. Come on, let me just win these last 2 easily. Of course not. It's really doing the whole 50-50 thing. Oh no. Uh-oh, here we go. Here we go. Yay. 99! Donald, let's go. That's big. On a 400 too. Let's go. Alright. I am up 4 now, so I need 1 more. So we got to the 3rd bet that time. We haven't won the first one yet. Until now. Yes! Let's go. Alright. Got our 500 for the day. You take it. I'm trying to apply to the gambling like I would trading. Just get your goal and be done. Every once in a while you hit a 99 or 100 and that's your home run. Let's go. Notice my camera has not been like, I wonder if it's because I have it moved over a little. Oh, but now you can see, is it this side? It's this side. But I wonder if that's what it was, because I feel like the camera's not really facing me. Did it? Almost. Not that. There we go. I feel like it was like so that way. It was like trying to like focus on the curtain or something, which is kind of weird. All right, first marbles race coming up. Just realized I don't even have marbles up. Let's get it rolling. Uh-oh, updating Steam. Oh, Derek's going for the martingale. Come on, bot, be nice. Be nice, bot. If you go too fast, it's every 5 seconds, so you might have to do it again. You lost all your points gambling? I try to tell you guys. I try to tell you. Hopefully you win some back here in the race. Yeah, if you do it too fast, there's a 5-second cooldown. There you go. Let's go. All right, do we got all our members here? Let's see. We got Donald, Karen, Jen. No Cody yet. Take Cody out. And that should give us 40. Nice. Random. Ooh. The cannon. We're taking the cannon to start us off. Go over to marbles. You can blame me for the 5-second rule. Yeah, people were spamming that a little bit too much. Arcanus, what's going on? So, is it Arcanus or Arcanus? Yeah, Derek, I was still just setting it up. So to earn points, every 5 minutes, you get 5 points. And to enter these marble races, you only need 5 points. At the end of each race, as you're about to see, I'll cancel it now just to show you. And everyone gets their 5 points back. So that's how you get points. And if you win the race, you get points. You get 200 for first. The first race of the day, we do 100 for 5th and 100 for 10th. All throughout the day, we then do 200 for first and 100 for 10th. And then the very last race of the day, we do first, 5th, and 10th again. 100 for second, or 200 for first, 100 for 5th, and 100 for 10th. And then on Fridays, we do these races as well as Discord giveaways for actual prop accounts. So you earn the points throughout the week to use those points for entries for actual prop accounts. So it's completely free. You just have to be active in the chat. That's it. Pushpack, Marie, Karen, first three out. Denton close behind. Load the cannon. Pushpack, that is not. How did you miss? What? Pushpack landed that. He knew what he was doing. Knew what he was doing. Knew exactly what he was doing. Taking a shortcut. This is Rainbow Road in Mario Kart. So I got this. Maybe even Wario World. I forget what the name of that one was, where you could just jump over the wall. That's pretty much it right here. Got the pegs, just don't get yeeted. Avoid the yeet. And we got our first winner. Oh, the pegs. He's getting pegged. No, Marie. And he got yeeted. No. Marie snuck by and Pushback got yeeted. The punishment for the shortcut. MLT, good morning. Who's going to take 5th? Karen. Let's go. Marie, first place. Karen, 5th. Who's going to get 10th? Jack of all trades. There we go. Ooh, wee. Let's go. A jack of all trades. You're one of the ones I have to do manually, aren't ya? Aren't ya? I'm like an extra in a horror movie who's always the first one to die. Koala Lawala. Don't get burned. Get down here. Get down here. Let's go. All right, we'll switch back over. Karen, let me get you yours. Let me go get Jack his. $11.85 to $12.85. And we are good to go. Back to the giveaways. Hey Tim, do you use the Mag 7 as Confluence while trading? Nope, I don't even look at them. I mean, I look at them in the morning just to see where they're at, but I don't use them as Confluence. Karen, did it not give it to you? I typed it in, right? We'll give it a sec. We'll give it a sec. Let's do this first. Exclamation point marbles, get them in. If it doesn't do it within the next 20 seconds, Karen. Well, it should have done it already, so. Do it again. Maybe it was on cooldown for some reason. It shouldn't be for me, though. I don't know why. There it is. There it is. Exclamation point marbles, get them in. 9 minutes and 30 seconds. We are breaking the lows here. Looks like a little continuation to the downside. Looking up at the 15-minute. Looking left. Got a pretty decent area here at 482, which I have marked out. And then after that, the next key area is all the way down at 417, which I just threw on the chart. 418, 417, 418. I would say that's kind of the next key area. This line was off the 5-minute. But as you can see, it wasn't really being respected, so we'll ditch it. Kind of like this for a long if we come back up here and break 533 here. This could be a future session trade. We'd have to break it though, because I mean right now it's doing exactly what it did here. I mean look at the structure of candles here. It's the exact same. Got the move down, pop back up, got the move down, move back up, came down, made a new low, came down, made a new low, moved back up a little bit, came back down, moved up a little bit, and now that's where we are right now in the sequence. And look at what happened last time. However, if we can come up and break here, that would be change of structure. It's like somebody's got their paintbrush out and they're just painting today. It's trying. I don't think it actually broke it yet. What's the high of this candle? 532.75, 533. Yeah, it actually hasn't broke it. There it is. And there it goes. And there she goes. Damn. I should have took it, but I didn't. Under 46 ticks. I don't even know how many ticks I actually need. Is that 20? I would need 60. Oh, look, it's going to give it to 60. Actually, closer to 80, which it's like right there. Damn. Good trade. I was actually going to jump in if it pulled back real quick, but it never did. It just went. Yeah, that's a little bit too much of a pullback. Let's see if we can come test the top of this candle again. I swear, I took the I'm in the trade here on the futures desk. But I'm pretty sure I got the worst fill I've ever seen. Ever. I hit this when we were at the bottom of the candle and it filled me way up here. I don't know what happened. But thankfully, we still only need the top of this candle to retest. We'll see if we get it. Using the bottom of that candle as my stop. If we get closer to take profit, I'll move it up to break even. It's pretty frustrating that, because I think I would have already got filled had I got filled down here where I hit the button. Like, see the bottom of this candle? When it was at the bottom of the candle, that's where I hit the button. And I hit join bid too. That's the worst part. I don't understand why I got the fill that I got there. Like, I did not hit it when it was up there. Damn it. I think this is going to drop lower. Okay. Yeah, damn it. That's very frustrating because that was such a bad fill, and I'm pretty sure I would have got my 370 had I got the correct fill there. And that was such a FOMO trade too, because I should have taken it here, but now that I'm looking at it, I don't think I would have got the full amount there. Did I jump back in here? Just risk the bottom of that candle. I'm gonna jump back in. I'm just gonna. Damn, that's 220. Ugh. This is not really a good trade. There's really no setup here. It's just me kind of assuming we're still gonna try to make a move back up. Which now I'm down, so I would need 6 something here, which would be way up here. I don't even know if that's the right amount, but if it gives it to me, I'm just gonna take it. I almost kind of want to take it off here just to be break even overall. But with that kind of a candle, you'd think we're gonna try to continue. Let me just take it off here. Oh, come on. Don't tease me like that. Don't you dare tease me, come all the way back down and stop me out again. Get up there. That's crazy. These are some big candles. Get up there. Get up there. Come on. It looked like it was going to go there. Get up there. I wish you could take one NQ contract and like turn it into MNQ contracts, because like I would have taken at least half off there when it started this stall for this exact reason. I really don't want to give any back. This is so frustrating. I don't want to add either because I really don't want to compound the loss. That's so frustrating that we didn't get that extra little push. I should have just took it off. That was me just being greedy. Because this isn't even... I should have been thankful that it even gave me that, because I shouldn't even have been in that trade. Yeah, this is going to pop lower. Damn it. Should just reverse it, to be honest. Last attempts. It's literally just in a little range here. Yeah, damn it. This doesn't feel like it's going to go back up. I feel like it's just going to shoot down, actually. Prove me wrong. I think it's going to shoot down, so maybe it'll shoot up. I'm always right when it's going against me. I mean, it feels heavy. The price action is definitely feeling heavy here. Yeah, damn it. If I throw an extra contract in here, how much am I actually risking? But I know once I hit it, it's just gonna go down, that is. Alright, we'll just leave it. I'm not moving my stop. That's not a question. It's just a matter of whether I added one there or not. Go. It's 10 o'clock. I don't know what comes out at 10 o'clock. I think it's some Canadian news. Get a push up. Go, baby, go. Bail me out. Come on. Do it. If we get back to the top of this candle, I'm definitely moving my stop to at least break even. But it just does not want to. No, this isn't good. That does not look like a bullish candle. Could finish as one. We'll see. 3, 2, 1. Okay, tried to go bullish. Go, 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 go. It just won't do it. Go, go. You know you want to try the top of that candle. Come on. Such a tease, man. Such a tease. I've held through all this, so it's like I feel like I'm supposed to just keep trying, but it's like, no, I want to just pull it down. Go. 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 Alright, I'm taking it off. It's gonna rocket ship now. You already know that's gonna happen. I'd rather be green overall and not take the... Oh, there it is. You knew it was coming. Ridiculous. Do I trade FOMC? No. That was a bad trade. For anyone watching, like, even if I held it and got the full amount there, like, that was a bad trade. This was a bad trade. This one, not so much, because I was buying the dip expecting it to push back up. But getting back in over here, that was just pure revenge trading, and that's a no-no. I did put my stop in where it was supposed to be. Like, if anything, this should be the entry where we're at now. Right? Because we're coming up, we're breaking that previous level. Like that's where the entry should be, of course. And to be completely honest, I was so zoned in on just trying to make back what I lost that had I really been paying attention, I should have just stayed in that, because that's the exact move we were looking for. And I would have made my 370 on it too. I didn't take the opening trade, but it would have worked, Zishan. I don't have an account right now that I'm willing to take the opening trade on, because I don't want to risk blowing any of them. It felt pretty weak though. That whole move up still felt weak. Like, it was being sold into the entire way up. All right, where are we at on marbles? So we still need to hopefully get another good trade there on the trading desk. Hit that like button if you haven't already. Got 30 seconds left, looks like. Maybe. Oh, timer is 0 actually. When did it say it was? Oh, that was way up there. Oops. Last time we held here on the 4 hour, we went back up towards 21,780. Man. Yeah, we'll see. Look, it ran right back into the close. See this right here? That red line? That's the same line that we fell into pre-market here that we're now bouncing off of as well. It even kind of used it on the way back up after it went through at the bell. So obviously that's a pretty key area being used today. So we got out in a generally good area. Just wish that was our first trade, because then it would have been nice. All right, I have a feeling we're gonna have a few extra people in marbles, but let's get that going. Six. Alrighty. Let's see who all we got in here. Got Donald. Cody's in, Jen's in, and now we're missing Karen. You guys. Just swap one for the other. Which means we should have 45, 48, yeah. That was kind of my fault. Venkat, and then what do we got? Jen, Donald. Replace just like that. Well, you didn't enter. You know, enter in 10-minute time frame. Gotta be fair. I've been doing this since we started it. I'm not gonna stop now. Ollie, Mike, Matt Rad, Wolverine. I'm assuming it might be somebody new that didn't have points yet. TCG, Andy, Chet, trading for Pip, Steve, Sandy, DT, Janie, Steven, Jen, Cody, Holland, Sound of Nature, Yane, you're good. Dr. Hunch, welcome, Dr. Hunch. If you just stay in the chat for 5 minutes, you'll get your 5 points. You can enter the next race, which will be right after this one. Keysun, Tradeify, we still got one more. Jack of all trades, Gonzalez, Donovan, Alex, Stock Butcher, Derek. I'm gonna go with Arcanus. Yep, it was Arcanus. All right, you both should have your 5 points as long as you're active in the chat by the next race. Until then, on we go. 45. I will cancel this one, give everybody their points back. 3, 2, 1, let's get it. First and 10th. First is 200 points, 10th is 100 points. That dip got bought up. We are heading higher again, looks like. Oh, by the way, Tradeify extended that offer, the $35 for any advanced account, through the end of January now. So they've essentially added 3 days. It was supposed to end last night, but Brett decided to extend it all the way through the end of the month. So if you're looking for the $35 advanced accounts with Tradeify with $99 activation fee, they're still going until the end of the month. I actually grabbed a 50K growth account from them myself. Because like I said, they're cheaper than my funded futures right now, so why would I not take the cheaper route? And my funded futures right now, those accounts seem to hate me, so it's going to be insane today. What's going to be insane? Koala Loala. Well out in first, it looks like. Matt Rad trying to play catch up. Oh, looks like we got a pass for first. Maybe. Oh, it's the ghost marble. It's okay. It's just the ghost marble. But Holly coming into the swings first. Koala though, following path. They're fighting. They're fighting. Koala, Holly, who's gonna get pegged? Who's gonna get the win? Oh, they both get pegged, but Holly comes out victorious. Holly, Nancy, first place. Who's gonna come in 10th for the additional 100? Right now it's Pushpack. No, it gets Pushpack the one time you didn't want to pass somebody. Touch my talala. Zelda, what's going on? We are currently up $200. We're up 155 on the Take Profit Trader eval, and we're up $50 on the futures desk. That was a good pegging. Holly, congrats, 200. Make marbles great again. Rigged. Add points at touch my talala. Yeah, Pushback, that's 2 races in a row that you should have, not should have, but could have got points. You were very close to getting points. All right, we're trying to break through the close again here. So far, it's holding as resistance. Let me start the next marbles race. Give me 1 sec. Minimize that. Touch my talala. There you go. Just need you to be active. Shirley 1, 5, and 10. Did you come in 5th there, John? Sorry. That's only the first and last race. Exclamation point marbles, get them in. You got 10 minutes. Hit that like button if you haven't already. Subscribe if you haven't already. And if you are interested right there, there's a join button. You get a cool green name in the chat. You get a badge next to your name. You get 3 cool, pretty cool emojis that I went out of the way to put in there. But most of all, you get an instant 2,000 points, and you get 3 entries into every race. Every marbles race, you get 3 entries. The points races and the prop account giveaway races. Every race. So you get an instant 2,000. You get some rep in the chat. You get some street cred. And you also get 3 entries, which is the most key part, right? Because I feel like everyone who's buying the membership is looking for those extra entries in the giveaway races. But you need points to enter the giveaways, the account giveaways. How I do those, whatever the account is worth with code VALA. So using code VALA, if the account is worth $100, you would take that and times it by 5, and that's how many points it would cost you to enter the race for that account. So that would be 500 points for a $100 account. I'm gonna go ahead and say that we use the close as resistance again. What do you guys think? Look at this dumperino. I'm half tempted to buy it off the lows, but I'm not, because I've done that before. Even though support and resistance, it's right there in your face. I feel like there's so many times I've done that and it just goes bloop, right to the bands, and I'm like, oh, I'm such an idiot. I'm such an idiot. Can't tell you how many times I've done that. That was a good bounce there off of that move, though. You would have to get in before the low. Let me sift through all this gambling and marbles. I caught that dump, entered at 54.75, and was 1 tick from stopped out. Oh, let's go, Chet. Hey, it feels good to be lucky every once in a while, right? Oh, no. Cooper. Come on. Come on, Bot. Be nice. Oh, no. How many points do you have? Oh no, don't do that. Save some of those, man. Unless you don't care about the accounts. That's completely up to you. Oh, Donovan started over. I know that's Donald. That was Donovan. Yes, Donald. Woo! Woo! Got the heart pumping. Got the heart pumping. Let's go. Holy crap, he did it. He did it. Today's his day. Don't say that. Don't keep gambling at all. You will lose. I'm done for the day though. No more trade. Let's go. Look, if you want to keep active, Chet, just start with 5. Literally, now that you have that many points, start with 5 and martingale. I'm telling you, every time you get 5, you then go, if you lose, you go to 10, then you go to 20, then you go to 40. But think of how long you would have to lose. It's a 50-50, but every once in a while, you're going to hit a 99 or 100. And when you hit that 99 or 100, hopefully it's on like one of the third, after the third loss or whatever. Big boy blue. You talking about my trade? Because I would agree. You get used to it though. Sorry if you had the wheel of death there for a second. By the way, anyone who does not have an invite to the futures desk, they are invite only as of right now. If you would like an invite, let me know. All you gotta do is find me in Discord, and I just need your email address. Market Chop Fest, yeah. Right now we're in a zone. We got the lows and then we got the close from yesterday, and we're just inside of it. Nothing I can do while we're in there. But Chet, once you win, you always start over. No, why'd you go to 100? See, you're not doing it right. Hopefully it'll be all right. I mean, you still got a ways to go. There you go. Now start over. Always just double. You go from 40 to 100. Well, yeah, but you went from 40 to 100. So 5, 10, 20, 40, 100. So that's right. I've went to like 6. I've lost 6 in a row before as well. That's where it starts to get scary. But it's a 50-50. I mean, that's like saying you're going to flip a coin 10 times. And you're saying you're going to lose 10 times in a row. It's possible, but what are the odds, you know? That's why if you just start really small. Exclamation point marbles, get them in. You have 45 seconds. We're running it. Kind of feeling a speedway early today. We're gonna do the speedway next. Yeah, the idea is that every once in a while you're gonna get that 7x on the 99 or 100. That's the whole point. So if you just start small, every once in a while you'll beat the system. You know what? I forgot GDT's live this morning. Let's go see how he's doing. He's had no trades yet today. Let me run the marbles race and then I'll stop in and say hi. No, it's just 99 and 100, not 98. I thought it was 98 when we first started doing it, but no, it's only 99 100. I can't change that. Yeah, I mean, I'll show you guys. Let me close the marbles real quick. So if I go over to modules, just gamble midi game preferences, like look, you can't see it, but so it has these set. So 1 to 25. That's supposed to be 0. I must have hit the down arrow by accident. So it's 0 for both. Imagine I take points away from you. Oh, you can't. Okay, that would be funny. You lose more. So 1 to 50 is 0. 51 to 98 is you just get times 2, so you win your money 1 to 1. But 99 to 100 is times 7. So the idea is if you can martingale to the point where you're always winning small, every once in a while you're gonna hit like that. Who hit that? MLT. He only gambled 1 but hit 100. That sucks. What a time to hit it. But if you start small like that, over time you're gonna make more than you lose by far. And then once you get to a certain point where you can go up, say if you're starting with 1, you then start with 2. You see what I'm saying? Well, you know, if people are going to gamble, just like trading, I try to make people trade responsibly. I want people to gamble responsibly. I'm trying to help. I'm that guy, you know? All right. Should have 48. That means all the members are in this race. Let's go. Karen, let's add you back. Should have 49. Let's go. And we're going to the speedway. I think they call it a speedway, not a raceway. Oh, it is a raceway. I had it right the first time. Maybe I call it a speedway. I don't know. It goes up slowly. That's it. And then every once in a while, you'll get lucky like I did, where I lost 6 in a row. And I was basically all in. And I hit a 99. Or 100. I don't remember. But that's how I got all my points. It was a $3,600 point gamble, and I hit the 99/100. There you go. You got 7 again. See? All right, 3, 2, 1. Let's get it. Jack of all trades is the ghost marble. Jack of all trades is first down. What are the odds? Let's go. We're gonna follow the first person out. And we're going to watch the progression with Oscar. Let's see where Oscar ends up, even just after the first 2 sets of tires. It almost does not matter where you come out of that thing at the beginning, or even the first couple sets of tires. The ultimate catch-up factor. The ultimate catch-up factor race. Somebody got through there. Was that John? John Doe got through there. I've seen marbles go from first to last and then win. It's all possible on this track. Anything's possible on this track. Push through, push through. Left side's winning. Koala Luala out in first. We got 1, 2, and then the final set. We got 3 sets left. Here we go. Oh, looks like one's trapped in a tire. That was kind of funny. Got some new leaders. Koala Luala still up there, though. There it is. Oscar back up towards the front in the top 10. DT and J Physica, first one into the second to last set. Here we go. These are the last 2. Here we go. Where's Oscar gonna come out? Oh, he sneaks right through. Oh, but gets caught up on the tire. No. Here we go. Who's gonna sneak through? Who's it gonna be? Who's sneaking through? Trading for Pips. Cody member number 2. Trading for Pips. Bad run. Oh. Trading for Pips sneaks it in there. Who's gonna get 10th? Looks like a member of some sort. Donald. Let's go. I love that race. It's such a good race. All right, we're heading back down to the lows. That was good. That was good. That was a good race. It's just never a bad race. Add points. Trading for Pips. 200. Add points at Donald Cooper. 100. Let's go. All right, we're back at the lows here. See what happens. Cancel that one. Get everybody their points back. Unable to find Donald Cooper. Say what? Stop. All right, exclamation point marbles, get them in. Once I see Donald, I'll get him his points. There's Donald. Yeah, finally some points. Let's go. Oh, we broke the lows. All line there, just to have reference. Alright, let's go stop over. Let's pull up GDT. I'm kind of waiting to see what happens here. Settings. It doesn't look like we're doing anything special here at the lows. We're just kind of bouncing back up. If it was some kind of fake up before they run it up big, I would have expected a bigger move down first. This isn't really much of a fake out. You know what I just realized? Where did the volume go? I don't have volume on my chart. And this hat is kind of tight. I haven't worn this hat in a while. And it's shrunk a little. Or my head got bigger. 99. What's rolled? 66.99? What are you talking about? 66? That's a 66. I see 66. I don't see 99. I wish I could pick like what each individual number, because I would add a specific number to get a different amount of points, but it doesn't allow me. Another pump and dump? This is a dump and pump, maybe. I said we did the same thing yesterday. It was just a little bit more of a move, and then they just ran it up the rest of the day. All right, let's go say hi to GDT real quick. All right, sorry, I was talking to GDT. Doesn't look like I missed much. All right, how much time we got left? We got 1 minute. Exclamation point marbles if you haven't already. Looks like we have all of our members in there. 1 minute left. Exclamation point marbles if you haven't got in yet. Hit that like button if you haven't yet as well. Appreciate that. All right, let's do some marbles. Should be over, right? Yep. Should be 47. Let's get it. There we go. Rolled 100. Let's go. All right, 3, 2, 1. Let's get it. Jen, first one up the octopus. Oscar out in front again. racing you, Oscar. I'm racing you. This feels really laggy. Anybody else see that? Just me? It's like glitching. Why is it laggy like this? Trading for pips out in front now. Jack of all trades, hunting them down. Oscar right behind as well. Got two in front of the ghost ball. Let's see what happens. Ooh. Josh sneaking through. Oh, but gets called on going sideways. God, nobody went straight through. Oscar coming around the side, following Josh. Who's gonna get yeeted? Someone's gonna get yeeted. I can feel it. Josh gets yeeted, but he's still in. Oscar, get in there. No, I thought you were gonna land in there. Jen going around the outside. Josh coming in. They're kind of neck and neck here. Who's gonna come around to the finish first? It's Jen. It's Josh. Who's gonna fall? It's Josh by like not even half a second. Who's gonna come in 10th? Right now it says yay. Now it's Tradeify. Who's it gonna be? Tradeify. Karen, what was Karen got yeeted. Oh, Pollock. That was close. That was close. You lost 7 in a row, MLT? Damn, that sucks. Were you starting at 5? What'd you start at? 150, 300, 70. You kept skipping numbers. That's your fault. You did start at 5 though. 5, 10. Then you went to 30 instead of 20. Then you went to 70, where you should have only been at 40. Then you went to 150 instead of where you should have been at 80. Then you went to 300, where you should have been at 160. I don't know what to tell you. You gotta, if you're gonna follow this, it's just like trading. If you have a system, you gotta actually follow the system. All right, we got Josh. 200. 10th, you get 100. You get 100 points for 10. Alrighty, back to the charts where we were headed back down to the lows there. All right, Tradeify got his. Unable to find Josh. Josh, where you at?
Evolution. This is the future. Evolution.
Josh. Donovan. What did Donovan do? Getting yelled at. Oh, now type marbles. Was he not in that race? Didn't even notice. All right, headed back down to the lows here again. Oh, okay. So chat GPT. A 99 noob gaming. Let's go. There we go. Make a new low. See if we can actually get down towards the bands here.
Human error.
Go, baby, go. 450 through 450 would be nice. That's kind of what I'm looking at.
This is the future.
Come on, Tim. Be patient. Be patient, Tim. Every part of me wants to hit the button. Be patient. Be patient. 450. 450. Oh, I just realized I don't even have my take profit in. 450. 450. No. No. 450. No. It's not going to give it to me. It's just going to kind of chop down there, isn't it? Damn it. Every part of me wanted to hit that button. Would have worked too. That's the shitty part. Oh, gotcha, MLT. I mean, so I was trading a strat for a while where I would just get in and look for the retest of those previous areas, and that one works until it doesn't. Like, it works a very high percentage of the time, but every once in a while you just get dumped on, and it just, you end up blowing up. It's all right. It's just one bounce or one trade. Not a big deal. Oh, coming back down. See if we can get down to the bands. Go to the bathroom real quick. Should I gamble or not? I got my 200 points today. I mean, it's up to you, but you need points to win the accounts if that's what you're going for. Kind of like this song. Song's cooking. Got 2 minutes for marbles! Exclamation point marbles. Got Donald, Karen, and Jen. No Cody at the moment. 700 points for 5 minutes ago. Now I have 10 points. Yeah, there you go. That's what I'm saying. Well, the chart is still headed back up. Got a little dip down there, but that's it. No problem, Cody. All right, I'm in a stock trade. Give me a sec. It's kind of being pesky as well. It's come so close to my take profit a couple times. It just keeps bouncing. And Karen, you were close to 99-100 there. There we go. It's finally working out. Excuse me. Yeah, marble should be close. Just give me a sec. I'm still on this trade. I was trying to get it to the point where I was trailing it, but I don't have it set up to where I can show you those trades just yet. I'll have to figure that out. Alright. Let's play some marbles. Sorry if I missed any messages. Let me scroll real quick. Noob. Alright, I don't think I missed too much. Alright, should have 45. 47. It's probably my bad at the end there. Keysun, were you already in though? No. Okay, so you were one. Oscar. Yeah, Oscar, I think you missed the boat. All right, 45. That's good. I don't think we've played this one before. What's the prize? We're still just doing points right now. Three, two, one. Let's get it. Chet Milk, first one down. All right, carrying out in front, Cody in second, Mike Hunt in third place. Karen with the win. Johnny in 10th. Sorry, I completely was talking to David there for a second. Congrats, Karen. Congrats. Karen getting them points in. That was your OG account too. It wasn't even one of the extras. Let's cancel that one. Let's get the next one started. Get my mind back on track. Karen don't need no extra marbles. It's true. Exclamation point marbles to get them in. You got 10 minutes. Ah! Deleted one too many. Alrighty. $99, Johnny. Let's go. Can I get the 7,000? Only one way to find out. You should be able to. If you take the slow and steady approach. Don't get crazy. It's all about staying within your means. I'm looking for somebody. I know I'm kind of boring today, but this market is boring, so I've been kind of trying to do some other things. Sometimes boring is trading, right? Gotta remember that. Marvels it is. Where we at? We got 4 minutes. Exclamation point marvels if you haven't already. Can't believe it's 11:11 already. Crazy. 11:11. Gamble market today? What do you mean? Like you're just gambling if you get in? I would agree. I mean, where's the real setup? I mean, I guess you could join the downtrend, but I mean, every time you would have joined it, you got popped on. Yeah, you're progressively going lower, but unless you got in up here and you're still holding, I mean, where are you getting in that you feel comfortable? Maybe if you got in here at the close, using that as resistance, it's about it, really. But even so, I mean, it's making you worry because every time we break, we're only getting, what, 20 points max? Yep, up and down.
I didn't know that it'd be so hard yet for me to relax, finding my purpose. I don't know what makes me happy, don't know what makes me sad. I sit around and ponder emotions in my head. I give up, no matter what I do, not enough. I try so hard to stop, I give in to every single bad temptation. And I just wanna feel like a good person, a good person. When I wake every single morning now, I give up. No matter what I do, I give up. I give up. And I just wanna feel like a good person, a good person. When I wake every single morning now, I give up. I give up. I just wanna feel free without any expectations. So many people think they know me, but they only know my music. And this
All right, where are we at with marbles?
hard to make the most of it when you
50 seconds. Oh wait, that's frozen. Hold on. Is it already over? Oh, it just ended. Hope you were in. Looks like we got a couple members not in. Oh no, that's 6, so just 1. Was it Cody? Did I forget to remind Cody? Yeah, I forgot to remind Cody. What do I pay you for? I mean, I did say it with like 4 minutes left. I'm just saying. Ooh, I haven't played this one. Oh, we played this one yesterday. Three, two, one. Let's get it. JFH, first one down. Let's get down to these cars.
I look at people and I wonder all day, who are you and you are not the one in your way. And then I think about myself and I stayed. I'm a pretty boss, look on my shit brain waste. I'm a freak in the sheets, but I got class. I'ma grab an ass if you want it. Best you ever had, give it to you bad. Ooh. I'm the girl that they don't talk about. Quiet with a big mouth. Listen for the doubt, then call it. Make you out for what you say to me. Look at every single need. If you got what I need, then oh, I'll take you on like a big deal. Eggs you can unseal. Key ignition. Just keep me full like I had a meal once in a while. Feel all that I know you like it. Can't fight it. I'ma let you ride the wave. I'm New York and you're LA. Come together, feel the shock waves.
Oh my god, guys. I thought I hit the button. I'm an idiot. Alright, I'll pay this out and I'll run it back. Sorry. I'm like so focused. Oh, no crap. Now it's not letting me. Why didn't somebody tell you? What do I pay you guys for? Oh, and then I hit the button by accident. I saw it was Wolverine. Who came in 10th? I'll go back and check because I don't trust you guys. What am I doing? Steve. All right, let's run that back. Steve Trades, you here? Jen and Alex out in front. Jen, the Dublers, got 2 marbles out in front. You're gonna need them too because This moves at the end. Oh, it's coming for you, Jen. Watch out. Why is Marbles being all laggy today? See? The UFO. Jen coming down the right side. You're definitely going to be first, Jen. The question is, can you land? Can you land it? Can you land it? That thing is going back and forth like it's a job. Jen with the win. Let's go. Steve Trades. Still not here? Oh, you are here. Oh, what the heck? It's saying I can't find you. And TCG Andy. Let's go. TCG Andy, are you here? Steve, I'll get you your 100. Yeah. Steve Trades. 876. There you go. TCG Andy. TCG Andy. TCG Andy. Go, go, go. Yeah, I don't think I gave it to you yet. All right, cancel that one. Start a new one. Exclamation point marbles. Get them in. I'll get you right now. I think there was the cooldown, so I don't think it gave it. Let me do it. Exclamation point marbles. Get them in. You got 10 minutes. I'm kind of back. I'm here. Sort of. I didn't leave. I just, you know, just got a bunch of other stuff going on besides trading. I need a new drink, and I'll be right back. Let me catch up with this, and then I should be all caught up here. World's greatest day trader? Thanks, man. It's so nice of you. What is this song? Putting me to sleep. Why is it sandstone? There's a somebody sent me a text that says, sometimes I text my wife the motivational quotes from her tampons when she has her period to try to cheer her up. One of them says, live fearlessly. And he sent that one and texted under that, live fearlessly. And she said, I swear to God, go fuck yourself. Oh, that's great. What brand of baby food do pirates prefer to give their babies? What brand of baby food do pirates prefer for their babies? Grrr, brr. Oh man. I wanted to let you guys know that I took a course to learn how to be a DJ. But that course barely scratched the surface. I'll be here all week. Some of these jokes are just bad. So bad they're funny. Exclamation point marbles, get them in, Cody. You got 3 minutes. Oh, you already did. Good job. Good job. Exclamation point marbles if you haven't already. We're gonna do this one, then we'll do one more. Hit that like button if you haven't already. Appreciate y'all being here. We'll be here tomorrow, same time, same place. I'm not leaving. I'm just saying. TT's goes blue. Blue. I wonder if I restore the chat here, if it'll keep going over here. If that's true, that would have been so much easier. It does. Yeah, I know what you're talking about. I know you're talking about my jokes. They are pretty bad. That's kind of the point. They're dad jokes. They're daddy jokes. All right, we got 1 minute. 1 minute. This market sucks. I'm assuming at this point they're just going to wait for FOMC. FOMC will probably be the next time we see any volatility today. Our 0% rate cut. You know it. All right, here we go. Wait, was I on marbles this whole time? I thought we were just looking at the chart. Did I never leave the marble screen? No. All right, Donald. Nah. Did I really? That would be so bad. Oh, probably would have been typer just the fat to type it normally. All right, should be 44. 44. There we go. All right. Lots of flinging around in this one. Flinging around. No, I didn't. Okay. Too busy saying dad jokes. It was on marbles all the time. Just continue. No. All right. Now you're gonna make me look. Holy crap! It was. Oh man. I was even looking at chat too, which my screens are. Oh my god. I'm so bad. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. I'm very. The market is so boring today that I am just preoccupying myself with 1,000 other things. Arcanus, this is your race, man. I can feel it. How do you only have 10 points? Did you gamble them away? You should have more than that by now. You gotta keep talking in the chat. Gotta keep that talking up. Keep that talking up. I'm here for this whole race. Let's go. We get in the full commentary. Donald Cooper, Wolverine, Big Boy Blue, our top 3 at the current moment. Heading into the right and left side. They're all going to fall into these jugs. Yeah. Jen, first one in. Steve, second. Koala, third. Who's going to be the first one out? Looks like ADR. Oh no, Jen's already out. Going through. Can she sneak through the hole? She does. Into the second. Spin factor. We got spin factor and some pegs. The pegs are there too. Oh! Jen getting whipsawed through. It's like she meant to do that. Oh no, that's not good. Oh! Whipsawed again! Jen, again! All Jen has to do is miss these pegs, and she's our winner. By far. You're gonna beat the ghost marble too. There comes the ghost marble. No peg. Jen, on fire. Jen was by far the biggest winner today. Jen just on fire. Who's gonna get 10th? Looks like Mike Hunt in 10th place. Janie's got a gun. It was a new record by like 5 seconds. It was pretty crazy. Jen, I don't want to hit it until you're here. Mike Hunt. Mike Hunt's here. All right, I'll hit it and then I'll just send it. Oh, it's not going to do that one either because I didn't wait 5 seconds. Oh, it actually worked. Maybe it doesn't do it for me. I don't know. Oh, the fire got him. The fire got you. All right, back to the chart. Let me cancel that one. And we'll run one last one. First, 5th, and 10th. There's Jen. What'd I miss, Zelda? Trading wise, you didn't miss nada. You missed nada. You could type exclamation point marbles now, though, and you could get into the last marbles race of the day. First, 5th, and 10th. Get paid. First 200, 5th 100, and 10th 100. Get them in. You got 10 minutes. 10 minutes. And then I'm piecing the fuck out of here. There's absolutely no trade setup. I mean, maybe you get long if we can get back above here. Like 515, 513, what's the highest candle? Yeah, like 514. Maybe there's a long there. We are making higher lows. So maybe we make a run back up to 560. Maybe. Maybe. Or it just rejects and goes back to the lows. I mean, that's always a possibility too. That's always a possibility too. And it's not taking its time either. Took what? Almost 10 minutes to get up there. It's gonna go down there in 1 minute. Like, you thought we were going higher? You moron. You're such a moron. What a moron you are. The biggest moron of them all. The biggest moron of them all. You know what? I'm bored. Let's take a trade. Yeah? Yeah? Yeah, of course. A little fake out action. Yeah? Yeah? That's 200? Are you kidding me? That's crazy. It's like nothing. Are these candles that big? Oh no. Oh no. What did I do? See, this is why you don't take boredom trades. I should have just got out. Now it's just gonna go straight to the lows, and I'm gonna sit here and let it, and I'm gonna lose. Cause I'm an idiot. Alright. I'm gonna take one random stab at this. No! Why am I in two? No wonder I'm in 2 contracts. How did that even happen? No! This is how it happens, folks. This is how it happens. This is how you blow up. This is how you blow up. So bored, you're making mistakes. You don't even realize it. Unless you get lucky. Unless you get lucky. Alright, we're just gonna... No, give it to me. Ah! What? Why are all these limits going out? Oh, because of the... Just give it to me. Give me the ask, man. No. Alright, at least we're back down to 1 here. But I don't want to be in the straight anymore. I should have just flattened it. No. Come on, get back up there. If we get back up here, I'm gonna attempt to hold this. I'm gonna put the stop at break even for this last contract, and I'm gonna. Oh, you know what? I probably still should put the stop out. All right, so I put the stop out anyways, so it's at least break even. But if we can make a run, I'm gonna try to let this go until we pass the account. If we get a run back up. Which would be... We're 500 away, right? Oh, never mind. It's just gonna come get me anyway. I did not realize we had 2 contracts. Wasn't it? Alright. Whatever. So all that we made 110. Alright, whatever. We'll take it. I shouldn't even have been in that trade. So what happens when someone wins marbles? What do you mean? You win points. Unless it's for the giveaway. if it's for the giveaway or for the account giveaway. This is Take Profit Trader. I had the accounts up over here, but I like having the chat up better. I mean, I'll show you guys the account. I'm not hiding anything. Let's see. You know, fine. Oh, that's the wrong one. So I'm at $52,358.50. We're up $265 on it, and we're up $50 on the futures desk. Yeah, I made money on it. Oh, of course. Of course. That's fine. We shouldn't have been in that anyway. Yeah, we were at what, 150 or 160? So we made $100 on it. Shouldn't have been in it to begin with, but all right, you got 3 minutes. Exclamation point marbles. Cody's in, Karen's in, Jen's in, Donald. Yeah, that's right. Donald said he wasn't going to be here. That is bright. Which account are you giving away? They're going to be Tradeify accounts. It's going to be 50K growth account, and I have two 50K straight to funded accounts. All right, let's run this last race. Should have 43, but we got to get rid of Donald. Clear these. There we go. Let's do the waterfall. Let's do the waterfall to end it. This is Jen's map. Here we go. Yeah, you were in there, Karen. 3, 2. I just want to make sure the water gets towards the end. 1. Let's get it. Jen said, get out of my way. All right. Kevin Atkins just subscribed. Welcome to the Vala Gang, Kevin. May the ticks and the marble rolls or falls or whatever you want to call them in this track be with you. Arcanus out to an early lead. Set off into the sunset. Pushback. Pushback's like, not again. Not again. So peaceful. But it's about to get crazy. 1st, 5th, and 10th. Here it is. Who's going to go through first? Pollen! Ooh, Pollen had a shot. It's getting serious up in here. Pollen going for it again! It looks good! Pollen with the win. Pushback. You don't want to go through yet. No! Pushback! No! You're supposed to wait till 5th. John Doe getting the yeet. All right, who's going to be 3rd? There's Jen. Jen member 2. Jen member 1. Ugh. Who's going to get 5th and 4th? 5th is Wolverine with the 2nd win of the day. All right, now we just need a 10th. Jen's all around it. Jen and Jen member 1. Mask knowledge. Let's go. Pollen. Oop, that's Pollock. Pollen. Yes. 200. Let's go. Wolverine. 100. You did win. Oh, it's saying I can't find you though. Let's try it again. Add points at masked knowledge 100. Saying I can't find you. You might be one of the ones I have to add manually. And masked knowledge. But I think he's just not here. Pollen. There you are. 165 up to 365. Let's go. 365 days in the year. Masked knowledge. 534, 634. Let's go. All right, I'm out of here. I appreciate y'all being here, and I will see you all tomorrow. Until then, have a good rest of your day. I'll give you guys a minute or so to gamble if you want. I know there's no songs. We ran out of songs. But until tomorrow, have a good rest of your day. Peace.